And it's so interesting too, because with the randomness element, you look at something like a plane and we can see that and know, well, that very clearly wasn't randomly cobbled together. There had to be an engineer putting every single part in place for it to function and to work. And how much more, should we look at the birds that inspired those planes and say, well, if those planes were designed, those birds must be too. And I think that's a really important point, just seeing the design in front of us, all around us, and knowing that ultimately that came from a designer, not from randomness.
Right. Great phrase. Great phrase you just had. How much more so? Because when we look at creatures, we do see corresponding features between man-made things, human-engineered things, and God-made things. When they're doing similar purposes, we find similar systems and we find corresponding features, which is strong evidence that this creature was engineered just as much as this man-made thing was engineered. But what we see is in creatures, as you just said, so much more. The way a bird controls itself in flight, and we could even multiply it by the way different birds control themselves in flight, it just makes this incredibly engineered fighter plane look so primitive. And I'm not taking anything away from the engineering of the fighter plane. I'm just saying that birds are so much more in their capability of what they can do, and dragonflies and things like that. They're just so much more. And why would evolution do that? Why would evolution, the mindless process, build a brain which exceeds our minimum needs to survive by so much more? Why would evolution build a brain where we can have this same kind of conversation, which is so much more than necessary to just survive, to just reproduce, to just pass on our offspring? There's so much more. We're so over-engineered that it's just incredible evidence for the genius and the power and the wisdom of the Lord Jesus.
Absolutely. And just the love and the care that he shaped us with, as you were saying, just creating a brain that could do all of these things. I mean, that is just clear evidence of the Lord Jesus' love for us. And I think that's a beautiful way to start wrapping up our podcast today.
Right.
And is there anything else before we finish up that you would like to share, that you'd like listeners to know?
Well, we could really wrap up and sum up everything we're saying. Theory matters. Theory is important. It shapes worldviews. It shapes public policy.